2026 has been a hard year to plan a hardware roadmap. Tariff rules have shifted more than once this year, and much of the self-service industry still sources kiosk enclosures, displays, and scanning components from manufacturing hubs across Asia. When a rule changes, so can the cost, and sometimes the delivery timeline. For a kiosk and QSR environment, that unpredictability is not a minor inconvenience. A single new deployment can involve a screen, a PC, a scale, a scanner, and a payment module, each one a separate part with its own supply chain and its own exposure to the next policy change. That is the case for building hardware in-house instead of assembling it from a patchwork of outside suppliers. When one company designs, engineers, and manufactures its own kiosks, it controls more of that chain directly, instead of waiting on multiple vendors to absorb the same disruption differently. It also means more flexibility in how a kiosk is built. Acrelec can adjust a kiosk's design, add a new payment option, or refine how a unit holds up under daily QSR use, without waiting on an outside supplier to approve the change. That same closeness between design and production makes quality control tighter too, since the team designing the kiosk is in direct contact with the ones testing and refining it before it ever reaches restaurants at scale. At Acrelec, kiosk hardware and software are designed and manufactured in-house. That gives brands a partner who controls the full build, from design through quality control. In a year where sourcing costs and timelines keep shifting, that kind of control is becoming less of a nice to have and more of a real operating advantage. To learn more about Acrelec's kiosk hardware, visit acrelec.com.